Okay, so the things you'll be needing actually are your mixing bowl, your spoon. Definitely, you will need your color. I'm using the red color for this tutorial because I'm doing a red drip cake. I'll also be needing your egg white, not the yolk. You just extract the egg white. That is, you separate the yolk. Don't allow the yolk to get into the egg white. Okay, and definitely you also be needing some icing sugar. Okay, so what I just did was that I just took little of the egg white because I'm not doing a big drip. So if you're doing a big drip, like you need more egg white and also more icing sugar. Please note that, because if you watch the video closely, you see that I was adding and adding and adding my icing sugar because the egg white was much, and at the end of the day I did not even use half quarter of the drip because the drip was much, so meaning that the egg white I used was much. All right, so make sure that when you're doing it and you're just doing something little, just you can even use your tablespoon to measure the amount of egg white you want, and then you go in with your icing sugar. Okay, so what I'm just doing now is that I'm mixing it. I'm trying to make it smooth, so you have to mix very well and make sure that there are no lumps left, like you don't need any seed inside the drip. So you just have to make sure that it's lump free and it's going to be very smooth. So I just kept on adding and adding and adding till I got the consistency I want. Normally you don't, this is not the consistency you want, but when we are done I'm going to show you my own consistency. And if you don't like it dripping like that, you can also add more icing sugar, and if it's too thick you can also add more egg white if you have some left. All right, so I'll just leave you to watch the video, and when I get to the end, when I get to the part of adding the colors, I'll come back for you. Just keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You're watching Glotera Extra, and my name remains Opera Chima Glory, and today I'm taking you on how to make a drip cake. I'm just sorry that the video might not be very clear, but just try and enjoy yourself while watching the video. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like, and if you have any comments, like any question, sorry, just do go to ask me. Okay, I'm even talking and I'm done. Like, this is the consistency I got. Please know that my icing sugar was like, my icing sugar finished. I didn't have any icing sugar left, and thank God I was very lucky that this consistency can work for my drip. But if you want it more thicker than my own consistency, you just have to add more icing sugar. Okay, so like I just told you now that my icing sugar, it got finished, and I'm very lucky that my consistency is okay, because if you reverse back the video you will see the difference between when I was adding the icing sugar and the consistency it is now. All right, so the next thing now I'll do is just to add, going with my color. So I'm using this thick color. This color, oh my god, you love this color. This color is very very good. So if you are opportune to get this color, you just go ahead and get this color. Don't go for those powdery one. Those powdery one will end up adding they'll just give you dust like some, I don't know, but I just prefer this one because this one is already melted. I don't know what they use in mixing it, but it just went in, so, and it gave me the red color. It was redding inside the egg white and the icing sugar. It was really redding, I'm serious. Unlike the red color, there's one red color I bought, I don't know, like I was in the red and I was working on a phone that, wow, god, it was giving me pink. Like, okay, look at the color it was giving me. This color now you can see now, that is the color that I was adding and adding, my god. And it was a boy's birthday cake. Oh my, I don't even know what to do. Like, you can see the frustration that you yourself, just imagine the frustration that you bought a red color and middle of the night you are doing a cake and then it's giving you pink and you have to deliver the cake the next day. Oh my god. So don't even go for those. I don't like those watery colors. Don't go for those watery colors. If you are opportune to see this thick one, just go for it. You can see it's redding. It's like it's redding the red. I just love the color. So I wanted it to be more like blood, so I added more. I don't know if it's even changed any, I don't know if there was any change, but you watching the video you will know if there was a change. So I just went ahead to add more of the color, and then I mixed everything. I made sure that there was no lump, even the color. I made sure that I mixed everything. If you're mixing yours, you might see the color hiding. Make sure you bring it out and use your spoon to as in like press it down toward your plates, as in just press it on your plate, and the color will just dissolve into the icing sugar. Just make sure you mix everything. You don't want it to be too scattered and blah blah blah. Just make sure you mix very well. First of all, make sure you mix your icing sugar and egg whites before adding your color. Make sure you mix everything, and then your red drip is ready. You can see we did this without chocolate, we did this without a ganache or a grenache or whatsoever it is, and it came out very well. So I'll be showing you the cake I used it on, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.